This one's super chubby.
It's not chubby.
Yes.
I got little dinosaurs.
Ay, sila Diro. Ayun o. Ay, magbabayad.
Uy, Diro.
Wala kaming milk tea. No milk tea.
And Diro's dad.
Ah, si Tito Sid.
Is it Diro's dad named Tito Sid? I see those Jimmys. I think those are our
Sir, good morning po.
Sige sir, isang tayo po.
Tabi ko na lang sa Snow White.
Pakita nyo na sa atin.
Okay, sige.
That's our camping friend.
Yeah. Oh, Jimmy, oh.
Wait lang, may pure gold.
Number 10.
Dadaan lang po. May last may
Uy, sa back tayo, si nanay dyan sa drive. Ito tayo dito. Si nanay magde-drive. Ayan o. 5 door. Sige, go. Uy! Ayan, let's go. Kung may door, sa 3 door, wala kayong door. Dito, meron kayo 5 door. Yun. May clearance pa.
pwede dito.
Parang maganda yung tagtag niya, no?
Diretso lang. Diretso. Opo.
We're going to the mountain. Test drive.
Are we testing it here?
Yes. Daming cars here, oh.
Are we testing it to drive? Where are we?
Pero maganda yung suspension niya, be. Oh, hindi siya yung sa 3-door kasi medyo maalog yung stock. Ito mas okay to.
You're up wrong.
Yun, no? Power mo daw. Power!
Power!
Power! Power! Uy, no? Oh. Oh. Power, ah. Uy, no? Pumower.
Exactly.
Pwede naman.
Dalawa. Mag-enjoy rin si Kuya.
Para ma-feel.
Uy! Oh, power! Grabe!
Stop it back there. Go around and around.
Laba to parang tanay.
We're going at the cinema.
Ay, grabe. Maganda yung suspension. Maganda.
I'm good.
What happened?
I just broke out. Let's go
Ay, yung baka yung seatbelt.
Sit down.
Okay naman.
Baka sa likod.
Sige.
Sige.
Hindi naman tayo lilipad yan. Pero
Oh.
narabas yung...
Okay. I'm okay.
You're okay. Kugulat sa'yo si kuya, oh. Ano po talaga yun eh.
That's so fun.
Driver po talaga ng ano to eh. Sa racing. Joke lang.
Okay, that's enough.
Hey, uy, baba mo yung foot mo. Thank you.
Kahit doon ang
Ganda.
Can we get the gacha?
Hindi pa. Wait pa natin yun. Ganda.
Really?
Ganda ng bounce niya. Ano ka mo sa experience mo?
Kumusta mo? Baka i-picture.
Nagulat yata si kuya eh. Hi, Anay. Pio. Pia. Ay, ba't ka nagkukuk dyan? Be.
Presented and organized by the good people coming from Rugged Drinks 4x4 Performance and the Jimny Hug. Come on, let's give it up for them! Come on!
Alright, this is mission. Let's go around. And this is a C. Kung sino yung una na natin pwedeng mag-interview dito sa ating
Pero modify your rigs. Wala naman limitation. So,
nakapunta sa harapan. Di ba kasi nakita mo talaga na when you're an owner for you, you're very passionate and really telling a story about your rig. So pag di mo malapit sa ibang tao, you ask about your rig, you're more than open to actually telling a story. Okay? So let's keep on over to the other side.
Thank you, Senator Bicor. 50 off para sa lahat. Hey, isang grupo kami. Ano? 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4.
Malagay natin sa video.
Alright, so again, good afternoon, everyone.
Just like the cars that we have on
baka
this
makahingi naman sila.
These are actually not brand new cars. This is a 2018 model, and this is the 2015.
For Mr. Norihide Takei. Up next is the General Manager for After Sales Service and Marine Division of Suzuki Philippines Incorporated. Let's give it up for Mr. Yukio Sato. And last, of course, but not the least, we have the President and Chairman of AG's Detailing. Let's all welcome on stage, Attorney Marcos de la Cruz.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Norihide Takei Suzuki. It's a pleasure to hear at the street show garage event organized by the Jimny Hub. I want to express our heartfelt thanks to the Jimny Hub for bringing together all the amazing company that help make the Jimny experience so exciting for our customers. Your dedication and passion are what make event like this possible.
Congratulations. Ayan, picture tayo dito. Over here na lang, picture po tayo, ma'am. Okay. Next is, uy, gusto ko na ito. Okay na.
Sunod tayo, sunod na.
Yun. First time, ha? Ang dami natin in-announce na winners. Nung tinawag natin si Ernie, nagpalakpakan kayo. Ayan. Ernie, congratulations sa payo. Pwede mo na ibigay yan sa kaibigan mo. Pag binigay mo sa kaibigan mo, payong kaibigan mo. Picture mo na tayo, picture mo na. Okay, congratulations, Ernie. Let me ask you this question. Are you excited to know who our winners are? Make some noise! Ito na, ito na. Again, congratulations to the team of Mr. Picture muna tayo. Congratulations. Kasi parang ang sarap mag-relax din sa pwesto nila Uncle dyan. Nakita ko pa kanina. Okay. Carlo, kung kamay naman. Yes. Demand support. Congratulations, bro. Pero yung mga pumapalapak, hindi ko yung pumapalapak sila kasi may entry rin sila. Second, tsaka first place pa for catch. Carlo, thank you very much, bro. Congratulations also. Okay, habang nagpapapicture si Carlo. Okay, second place goes to entry number 60. Don Richard. Don Richard. Don, nandiyan ba si Don? Nasaan si Don? Nandiyan o nandun? Don! Congratulations, bro. Nakaka-suspense pag nanalo siya, no? Don. Okay, congratulations, Don. Okay, congratulations, Don. Okay. Ito na, first place. Ito na, first place. Best in Jimny Off-Road Modified. Congratulations to entry number. Diyan, ano tama sa Jimny? Hindi ko alam, ang dami kong kailangan ng Jorel. Mahilig talaga mag-modify ng mga auto. Congratulations, Jorel. Picture na lang tayo, bro. Congratulations. Okay. Bilang we awarded the second place. Yun! Gusto ko talaga yung Jimny community. Proud na proud tayo. Congratulations, bro. Here we go. 70,000 pesos. You're calling back. Paano naging ano? It works. 70,000 pesos.
Hindi pa naman naka-ano yun.
Hindi pa naka...
So bakit marunong ka? Ano pala? Hindi-detail pala.
JB Altamirano? Wala? Wala.
Jorel Antonio.
Mag-itsura, sabihin niya,